Hello, what's going on guys? How are you? My name is Arhan and welcome to my channel Code with Arhan. In today's video, we are going to build our website with HTML CSS, or I will say build your first website with HTML CSS. So let's start quickly, and before starting please make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any questions. So let's start. So guys, first, building your first website can be a rewarding experience. So this tutorial will help you to make a website using the HTML CSS, which is the fundamental technologies for creating web pages. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have a simple yet functional website. So let's go. First, what is HTML? So HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language, which is a standard language for creating the web pages. It describes the how the structure of web page and consists of series of elements. So these elements will tell the browser how to display the content. So to demonstrate this, so we read the website. So go to web3.com, create the account, and then after that create the HTML CSS or simply click there, click on create there, create HTML CSS, name this as, let's say, building first website site right. Let's go. So okay, it will load our workshop. Okay, our this road there is loaded. Okay, now first of all, the HTML has a text. So HTML elements are represented by the text. For example, P represents the paragraph. So what if I say, instead of this hello world, if we write P like this, so this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. And if you reload this, so if we say this is a paragraph, so place that a heading here. We add the H1. So this is the heading. So if you look at this, so this is the heading. If you go here, click, so this is the heading, now this is paragraph. Now over you see that it is written pretty small. So this is the title of the web page. So we can change the title right in here. Let's say build your first website. Okay, and now if you reload this, you will see build your first website is the title of this web page now. So this is the title. So this is a simple HTML file we have created. So let's look at this structure now. So doc.html is the tag which tells the browser that we are using the current version of HTML. Okay, then inside we have a HTML tag which is the main, because it holds the other elements inside it. For example, it has the head element inside it, so it is the root parent of all the elements. So this is the HTML tag. Then inside head tag, So inside head tag, whatever you write here is not visible on this web page. For example, except for title, because title is something that you will see on the web page but on the browser titles. And here you can write all your meta tags, links to CSS, and a lot of things can be done inside the head, which I will discuss later or in the other videos, I guess so. So here is our head part. Okay, now inside the body part, it is the main body of the web page. So inside, so if you like HT1, this is the heading, so it will be displayed on the web page. So thus it means that body tag is the main body of your website or web structures. Okay, now back to what is. And then next we have the attributes. So tags can have attributes that provide additional information. For example, anchor tag has the attribute which defines a link. So if I go here and write and click A, HIF is what it is. So I will say Google, Control C, and now here I will write the code. Arhan. Okay, I will copy my site link here. So this is our anchor tag. Means anchor tag is a tag in which you can create a link to the next page. So here in this site there is a Google and COVID Arhan, and if you click on it, it will take you to the different browser. So that is the use of anchoring. If you click on Google, so it will be redirect you this. So anchor tag is used for adding links to the website. For example, in my website, this is the links to the other sites. If I show you, so home will redirect to you this site or home page. So that is the anchor tag here. Okay, now we have the nesting. HTML elements can be nested inside other elements. For example, this atom can be inside the URL atom. So basically, if you want to define, so nesting means, for example, if you write URL, then inside you write li and say this is item 1, and if you refresh now, you'll be seeing another list. So this is the nesting HTML elements. That means in one HTML element we have the another element. For example, this HTML, which is the root, we can say it is a root parent for all the elements. That means inside the HTML tag we have nested all the other tags that is required. So same it is followed in the UL, and by the way, UL stands for the unordered list and LI for list items. So this is the unordered list, and if you want to create a number list or order list, you can type OL, and inside you can say this is item 1. So if you refresh this, so you will see we have an unordered list here and an ordered list here. So this is nested HTML elements. So let's go and look at the basic structure that I have provided here. So Yes, see, let's copy this code, and if you paste this, so style, okay, and now you can see that we have created, I have given simple HTML example here, which contains the header part, which comes in the HTML5 semantics. We will talk, we will learn about this in later, and if you want to learn more about this, then go to my website, go to tutorials, scroll down, and you will find a called HTML5 semantics. And if you click, and you can read more about the HTML5 segments, what is the header, new, main, section. So you can read this, or I will make another video on this HTML5 segments. So okay, that's it. So come to our back to our topic. So here we are inside the header, we have create write h1 element, which is welcome to my first website. Let's replace a bit here. Okay, and inside the main we have written the, this is the paragraph of the text of my website, and at last we have written a footer, and inside footer we have written the copyright 2024 my first website. Okay, that's our basic HTML structure. Now this is looking at a big body. Yes, simple heading, simple paragraph, simple footer. So it looks very boring or dull. So to improve this, we will go to our style.css file and write h1 color red. And if you refresh this, you will see that it is red color. And let's go now. Here is our CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it is used for styling the layouts of web pages. It allows you to create a visually engaging web pages and user interfaces. So inside CSS we have the selectors. CSS selectors are used to select HTML elements you want to style. For example, PCS or the paragraph. So inside this we have like the H1. So H1 is the selector, which means it will find all the elements with H1, and we color the text with red color. So this is selector. Then we have the properties and values. CSS uses properties and values to apply style. For example, color red and sets the text color to red. That's how we written here. So color is the property and red is the value. And then we have the box model. The CSS box model describes how the elements are structured and rendered, including padding, borders and margin. So inside CSS we have a CSS box model, which contains the padding, borders and margin concept, which will make the website what can we say, a big, beautiful and attractive. For example, here in this site I have used the padding. Wait a second, yes. So wait this, yes. So in my site I have used the CSS model also, which size with the elements, which paddles the element, and that's all. A lot of things can be done with CSS box model. I will make a separate video on the CSS models, what is CSS model. So I will cover the CSS model in the next video, or in the latest video, I guess. Comment me if you want me to make a video on CSS box model. So okay, now let's add some style. So inside the style.css we have our style here. So copy the style written over here. Okay, there's more. Okay, here we have our add all styles. Now if you refresh this, you will see that now this side looks much better, a much better side, I would say. So the thing that I am talking about, the margin and padding, is this. So in the body we have, say, CSS that leave the margin of 0 pixels and padding of 0 pixels also, and inside the header we say that background color should be green, color should be white, and the padding should be 20 pixels. So that means it gives a space of 20 pixels from everywhere, and it will align the text to center. So text alignment is center. That's all. And then inside the main we have again add the padding of 20 pixels. So if you want what it is, so search Google patterning in CSS, and you will see the padding used to create the space around an element's content inside of any defined borders. This element has this. Okay, so padding used to create the space between the elements. So if we, for example, inside the header we have given the padding of 20 pixels, right? It is zooming up here. Sorry guys to keep you waiting for this. Sorry, I am extremely sorry for this. So inside we say that the header, we have given the padding 20 pixels to header, means that it will give the 20 pixel space from all sides, or it will give the space to the element, and same as for main. And inside the footer we have written the background color, text align, padding, position, width, bottom. So don't worry about this. I will explain the CSS in the next video. What is CSS? How you can see it? So basically in the next video I will teach you the master. I will upload a video on whole CSS tutorial which will cover all the concepts of the CSS. Okay, so here what is the say? Then that's all. Congratulations, you have built your first website with HTML CSS. So this is just the beginning. There is so much to learn and explore in web development. So keep practicing and experimenting with the different layouts and styles. Happy coding. Okay, so inside we have created a style, we have created the HTML file. Now for interactivity, to add some interact, to make it more functionally interactive, we add the JavaScript. So let's say you write alert hello there, and if some semicolon here. So if you go to the website, I think this yeah, we have not written this script here. To script src is equal to script.js, and now this will work. And see, it gives us the hello there as the alert. So basically JavaScript is used to add the functionality, interactivity to the website. CSS used for styling the website. HTML is the skeleton of the website. So that's all for today's video, guys. So guys, don't forget to make your own website. Tell me in the comments. So thank you guys. Bye bye.